Are you looking for the best heat press machines? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best heat press machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. High-Tire Heat Press Machine. For smaller scale heat transfers and HTV vinyl jobs, the High-Tire 7x4 inches heat press machine is an affordable solution that lacks nothing compared to other models, but sports a much more manual operation. I knocked out a few additional projects, and everything panned out smoothly and perfectly. It is honestly the perfect size for the project types that I purchased it for, and at half the cost of the Cricut or other competitor products. Explained an enthusiastic customer. Its small form factor meets a wide range of artistic requirements, making it perfect for application on footwear, t-shirts, bags, and caps. For those just starting out or who have limited room, this portable machine is ideal because of how easy it is to operate. As testified by a satisfied craft beginner, I was very happy with my purchase. It was very easy to take out of the box and use right away even though I'd never used one before. I was also surprised with some free prints to iron on, so I can't wait to try those out. Its low price belies its heat transfer capabilities, which are useful for a wide range of DIY tasks. If you are looking for a simple and affordable way to transfer heat, it's a good option to consider. This heat press is great for applying vinyl onto fabric. The name brand one is much more expensive and doesn't work any better than this one. I've used it many times and always get excellent results, according to another crafter. Number 2. Cricut Mug Press. Although the Cricut Mug Press lacks the versatility of other heat press machines, it excels at its intended function. Sublimation mugs are its forte, as it works with infusible ink materials and 11 to 16 ounce cup blanks with ease. This mug press can be operated entirely from a distance, via smart apps. You can plug it into your computer using the included USB cable. Then use Cricut software to keep tabs on your machine as you design your mugs in collaboration with your Cricut Joy Maker. However, as explained by a customer, even though it is easy to use once you connect and register it with Cricut, my laptop isn't close to my craft area, and I am limited on room anywhere by my laptop, so that was kind of a pain to deal with, but once it's done, you don't have to do it again. We discovered the Cricut Mug Press to be an easy-to-use heat press that consistently produced great results in our evaluation. Although the branded Cricut mugs have always worked well with the machine, we also found that cheaper non-Cricut mugs can be used. Also, the automatic timer is nice and I like it just has lights that progress during the time and beeps when it's done. This is more of an accessory than a machine because of the requirement for a Cricut cutting machine, like a Cricut Joy or Cricut Explore 3, and the connection to Cricut Design Space. Number 3. F2C Pro Heat Press Machine. With its 5 distinct functions, the F2C Pro Heat Press can handle a wide variety of heat transfer tasks. It sports a 12 by 15 inch heating element that works great for transferring designs onto cotton, flax, and nylon, making it perfect for making personalized t-shirts. This machine might look intimidating, but even beginners will operate it with ease. It took me only a few minutes to put this machine together. I followed the instructions, set the machine to the recommended settings, and voila! 15 seconds later, my first shirt was done. It came out perfect. Then I made 8 more shirts, all came out perfect so far, described a first-time user. With its expert swing-away design and complete 360 degrees rotation, this model guarantees both convenience and security. Equipped with an integrated fuse for secure operation, the digital control system ensures accuracy and sensitivity. To further enhance its multi-purpose use, it comes with attachments for mugs, plates, and headgear. Nevertheless, one must remember that before using it, let the iron get up to temperature and wait 15 minutes for the entire heating elements to heat evenly. Make sure that you read the recommended heat and time settings for the vinyl you're using. Pressure should be firm but not hard. For a wide range of heat transfer tasks, This multi-purpose machine's accuracy is guaranteed by its digital control system, and safety is enhanced by its built-in fuse. Note that there is just one mug attachment and 2 Teflon sheets included, but it does have hat and plate attachments. This machine is perfect for a variety of uses since it can vary the pressure based on the thickness of the material. Number 4. Cricut Easy Press 3. An exceptional smart heat press for home use. The Cricut Easy Press 3 combines professional-grade performance with user-friendliness. Crafters and those interested in heat transfer projects will find it an ideal tool for maintaining consistent temperatures and dispersing heat evenly. Especially those who work within the Cricut realm of crafting will appreciate this machine, as it goes great with the Cricut cutter and works well. Since its release, the Cricut Easy Press 3 has been a hot commodity among crafters thanks to its user-friendly design, high-quality features, and efficient operation. The Cricut Easy Press series, which includes this model, is well known for being an intermediary between a regular iron and a professional heat press. Its uniform heating and accurate temperature regulation make it ideal for use with a wide range of materials, guaranteeing flawless transfers. Unlike what most heat press machines offer, the smart capabilities of the Easy Press 3, when used in conjunction with the Cricut Heat app, allow users to transmit the exact temperature and timing parameters from their mobile devices. This function enhances the precision and individuality of creating tasks while also providing convenience. In the app, you tell it what vinyl you are using and what type of material you are pressing on, and away you go. The Easy Press will do the rest. The choices of creation are endless. Make your own t-shirts, bags, etc. Further verified another user. Any home crafting space, no matter how big or small, would benefit from the Cricut Heat Press and its ergonomic design, lightweight construction, and portability. As explained by a happy crafter, this is a great buy. I would definitely recommend this Cricut, as it's light, easy to use, and the app is really simple too. Its user-friendliness makes it a good fit for makers of all skill levels. Fast heating on the Easy Press 3 means more time for other tasks and less waiting around. This product is perfect for home use because it has safety features like an auto shut-off mechanism. From larger projects like t-shirts and tote bags to smaller ones like designs on baby garments or accessories, the Easy Press 3 can handle everything. It works well with a variety of heat transfer materials, such as infusible ink, sublimation transfers, and heat transfer vinyl, HTV, which is a major selling factor. Number 5. Fancy Studio DG Heat Press. The most recent reviews and our own evaluation of the Fancy Studio Power Heat Press lead us to consider this model as one of the best heat presses for professional projects. This is a powerful instrument with a large working area of 16 by 24 inch pull-out lower platen. Its primary use is in industrial scale printing processes, including sublimation and t-shirt printing. Whether you're printing on t-shirts or tote bags, the Fancy Studio model's large plate and size gives you plenty of room to maneuver. Its ability to withstand temperatures as high as 500 degrees Fahrenheit is one of its most notable characteristics. The wide temperature range it can handle makes it ideal for commercial applications and a wide range of materials. This machine is also great for a variety of heat transfer procedures since it can reach such high temperatures. Furthermore, the machine's Teflon covering greatly reduces the likelihood of burn marks appearing on the printed paper. Additionally, it has knobs that you can turn to change the pressure so that you may customize the printing process to your liking. To further help avoid overexposure, it is an integrated digital thermometer and timer. In our opinion, despite its suitability for professionals, its size and features may be too much for beginners to handle. However, as one buyer explained, "I'm new to the pressing world, and this heat press is awesome. Does a great job and is large enough for big projects." Number 6. Vront Auto Heat Press. When it comes to heat presses, the Vront stands out mainly because of its efficient operation and user-friendly design. One of the most notable features of this 15 by 15 inch machine is its automatic pressing mechanism, which greatly simplifies the heat press procedure with only one button push. Notably, it has a dual-zone heating engine that makes sure the whole plate is heated evenly, which is important for reliable transfers. According to a 5-star review, I'm not new to using heat presses. From large and clunky manual heat presses to small handheld heat presses to mini hat presses, I've tried them all. I ordered this heat press because the auto pressure feature, paired with the pull-out tray, sounded like an awesome improvement. I've used it on direct-to-film transfers, screen print transfers, sublimation transfers, regular heat transfer vinyl, and with regular iron-on adhesive, like hemming tape, among other things. A definite win in my books. Its sophisticated lifting mechanism, which adapts to the material's thickness of up to 1 inch, exerts pressure automatically. Its adaptability makes it suitable for a wide range of materials and uses. With a maximum temperature of 410 degrees Fahrenheit and a rapid heating rate of 320 degrees Fahrenheit in under 4 minutes, it is ideal for sublimation and other heat transfer applications. Another reviewer who offered a 5-star review wrote, "I am so glad that I purchased this heat press. I love the ease and simplicity of using this device. You literally only have to set your temperature and press time, and the heat press does the rest." Users with limited room will like the machine's compact form and lightweight construction, which set it apart from other versions. Its auto shut-off safety feature further improves its safety profile, making it ideal for individuals just starting out or working in surroundings with youngsters. There are a few downsides, however, to this particular heat press, though. Certain specialized applications may find it lacking in adaptability because of the inability to manually modify pressure levels. Additionally, the machine's design prevents wrapping materials around the drawer, which could provide a problem for thicker products.